it's time to have a meal. The boss of the restaurant has gone on a trip, but we also can buy the meal. How could we get the meal if there is no one at the restaurant? Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, wow, it's a new vending machine here. Yeah. Oh, you see, it has a new slot. I never see this slot before. Oh. And it's a belt system. Yeah. Oh, and it has microwave. You can heat the food. Wow, it's interesting. Okay, let's buy the food. Oh, I want to buy a meal box and some juice. Yeah, I want to buy these drinks and this food. Oh, but there's another question. If the food drops in the bottom, it will be broken. Let me see. Whoa, it has the elevator. Whoa, good. Let's buy. And I have a card. Whoa. Okay. I want to buy these drinks and this meal. And it could pay by one. Oh, it has discount. It's too convenient.
Please connect your card to mobile authorizing. Thank you.
My lunch. Let's keep the meal together. Okay. Let me put my meal. Okay. Let's have a lunch together. Yes.